Welcome to Nabeel Math Academy. This is Dr. Mohammed Nabeel. In this video, we are going to study the rational exponent. So already we have discussed about the integer exponents. So what do you mean by exponents? So exponent is nothing but the powers. If you have a power as a rational, so we call it that one as a rational exponent. So this is a definition for the rational exponent. So we have b to the power m over n. It can be written in terms of b power m whole to the power 1 over m, and or it can be written as b power 1 over n whole to the power m. So which one is better? Whether we have to apply the power first, after that the root, or we can apply the first root and then we are apply the power. Let us see with an example. So I will take an example here. So b to the power, that is 8 to the power 2 over 3. So this can be, I write it in these two format. Suppose if you apply the root 1 over 3 first, so it becomes 1 over 3 whole to the power 2. So therefore, this is the cube root of 8. The cube root of 8 is 2. So whole square, which is equals 4. So you will get the answer as equal 4. Now I will go with the rest one, the another way. So we will have to write it this part as the first you have to apply the power. First you have to apply the power. So 8 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 over 3. So when you take this 8 square, it is 64. So it's a big number, huge number. So when you take the cube root, it becomes 4. So always I will recommend it to apply the nth root first so that you will get a small number. After that apply the power, it will become the easiest way. Whereas in the alternate ways, so you have to square, therefore you will get a big number. So big number you have to take the root or nth root of the big number. So that is very difficult. So compared to this one, so I will apply this rule is the best way. So when you apply the 1 over n, so the number become very small. When you apply the power, so it is easy to calculate the value. So we will follow this technique. So here we will have the same properties of the rational exponent. Suppose if you have, this is the properties. If you have a b power m, b power p into b power q, so if it is the same base, I can add the power p plus q. If it is divide, what will do? So we will subtract. The condition is b power q is not equal 0. And if you have a power, so this is the first rule, and this is the second one, and the third, fourth. So we will have here the power of power, b power p whole power q. So you will have b power p q. So this is the same rule. Now here a power p over b power q whole to the power r. So it becomes a power p r over b power q r. So this is what you have, the four property. So using the property, we will solve the problem. Now the first rule here, it is a number, it is a 64 to the power 2 over 3. As we mentioned before, I will apply the nth root first. So I will apply the root first. So it is 1 over 3 I will apply. After that I will square it. So it will be easier. So now what is this part? This is actually, it is cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 is nothing but 4 power 3. So 3 cancel, you will get 4. So I got it, this value is equal 4 whole square. Now it is easy to calculate, that is 16. So this is the answer. Similarly, here you will have a negative power. So we will do it first positive. After that we will do it the simplification. So we will apply the power. So I will just flip it. You will get 3 over 5. It become positive. So 32 to the power 3 over 5. Now similarly, I will apply the nth root first. So it is equal to power 3 equal here 32 1 over 5 whole power 3. So this is the fifth root of 32, which is 2 power 5 whole power 3. So the 5 get cancelled, the root and this one, and you will have 2 power 3, which is equal 8. So if I apply the value here, you will get 1 over 8. So this is the number. Now here also the same rule. So I have to make it flip first because of the negative powers we have. 1 over 16 to the power 3 over 2. So I will apply the 3 over 2 here. 16 to the power 3 over 2. I have to apply the 1 over 2 first. After that power 3. So here we will have, that is nothing but square root of 16. So this is the square root of 16. What is the square root of 16? Which is equal 4 to the power 3. So here 4 power 3 is nothing but 64. Therefore, the final answer will be 1 over 64. That's it. Now, the next one here, when compared to the last problem and this problem, here you will have a variable. But in the last problem, only the numbers we will have. Now, we will solve how to solve this problem when you have a variable as a rational exponent containing the rational exponent. So here we will have apply these power to each and every part. So when you multiply, you will get what? This is 2 power 2. When you have power 2, I have to multiply with the numerator, not in the denominator. So it becomes x to the power 2 over 3. You should not multiply denominator. It should goes to the numerator. If it is 1 over 2, you have to multiply the denominator. We will have an example here. So here same thing, I will multiply with the numerator. So it is y to the power 6 over 5. So this part is over. Now when I apply this part here, so you will have here 9 power half, and then if I multiply with this one, so you will get x to the power 3 over 2, and here if you multiply, you will get numerator with the numerator 1 into 3, which is 3 over 2 into 2, which is 4. So this is the perfect multiplication of the rational exponent. Now I will simplify this part. So what is the simplification? Here you have, so this one is equal 3. So this is equals 3, and this part is equal 4. So we will get this part is equal x to the power 3 over 2, y to the power 6 over 5. And here x to the power 3 over 2, y to the power 3 over 4. Now when you multiply the numbers, so you will get here, which is 4 into 3, which is equals 12. X to the power, add the powers. So you have to add the powers. So what is the power here you have? So this is x is a common base. Here plus, since it is in the product, therefore I have to add 3 over 2. Now similarly, the y to the power 6 over 5 plus 3 over 4. So how will you simplify this one, which is equal 12, and this one, how will you simplify this part? So this is equal here multiply, so it is cross multiply, you will get 2 into 3, which is 6. After that cross multiply, what happened here? So if you cross multiply, you will get 4 plus 9, so which is equal, 13 over 6. So you will get x to the power 13 over 6, x to the power 13 over 6. So this is a simple simplification of the two rational sum. Now similarly, here you have here the same rule. So if I multiply here, you will get what? 20. Cross multiply, you will get 24 plus 15. So which is equal 39 over 20. So we will have here y to the power 39 over 20. So this is the final answer. Now, similarly, here we have a quotient. So here over fraction. So I have to multiply the power first. If you apply the power first, so it is 2. So I have to multiply in the numerator. So what happened? It is a to the power 6 over 4. A to the power 6 over 4. B to the power 2 over 2 over, and 3 I have to multiply the same rule with the numerator. So what happened here? A to the power 6 over 3 b to the power 9 over 4. So what are the simplification you can do here? So this is a common. So I write it here 3 over 2 and this cancel 1. Here you will have cancelled 2. So what are the remaining part you have? So it is a to the power 3 over 2 in the numerator. If you bring it this part, this 2 in the numerator, you will become minus 2. And here b to the power 1, if you bring it this part to the numerator, you will get minus 9 over 4. Now how will you simplify this one? This is actually over 1. So this is the how will you simplify? So this one is 2 cross multiply, you will get 3 minus 4, which is equal 1 over 2 with the negative sign. And here it is over 1. So what is this part? This is 4 cross multiply, you will get 4 minus 9, which is equal minus 5 over 4. So the final answer will be a to the power minus half, b to the power minus 5 over 4. Since both are negative powers, I will bring it down. You will get a to the power plus half, b to the power 5 over 4. That's it. Now the next one here you have a 6a power 2 over 3 over 9a to the power a over 3. So first simplify is if there is a simplification is possible with the number. So it is a common factor is 3. 3 2 times, 3 3 times. So you will have a number 2 over 3. Since the base are same a, so it is 2 over 3. If you bring it up, so what happened this part which is equal 1 over 3 with the negative sign. Now here we will have 2 over 3 a. So since the base are same, the over 3 is same. So how will you simplify this part? So this is base 3 same. 2 minus 1 which is equal 1 over 3. So this is 1 over 3. Since it is positive, leave it as it is in the numerator. And the next one here we will have 1 in the power 2 over 3 here in the denominator without power. It's the same rule we will do it here. First we will apply this power to equally to all the pot. So inside. So what happened here? So it becomes 27 to the power 2 over 3 x to the power. So 3 with the 3 cancel, you will get 2. And y to the power, here if you can multiply you will get what? So it is 2, therefore which is equal 4 over x power 4 y power 5. Now how will you simplify this part? Is the same thing what we had done before. So first you have to apply the 1 over 3, after that square. So it is cube root of 3 cube. So 3 3 cancel. So you will have 9. So this is equal 9. So I will got it here equal 9 x to the power 2. If you bring it up, what happened? Y to the power 4. So if you bring it this one up, it becomes minus 4. Here if you bring it y power 5 to the up, you will get minus 5. So final answer is 9x to the power minus 2 y to the power minus 1. Since both are negative, I have to bring it down. So you will get x square y. So this is the answer. The last question. So we will have a negative in both the terms. So I will multiply number with the number first. So what happened? Minus of minus, it become plus because there is no power. If it is a power, first you have to simplify the power. Because there is no power here, so I directly multiply. Minus of minus plus 5 into 4 which is 20 x to the power, since the bases are same x x, it is in the product, therefore it is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. So how will you simplify this one? So this is actually the 6 multiply, then cross multiply, you will get 2 plus 3, so which is equal 5 over 6. So the final answer will be 20x to the power 5 over 6. That's it. Thank you.